saw that.
It's having a smallmouth bass. Could have been a smallmouth drum.
Big one. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Darian is Fishing. This video in particular, I'm giving away 2 lure lock boxes, a large lure lock box and a medium-sized lure lock box. All you have to do to win is drop a comment in this video down below of what your favorite crankbait is. It can be a flat side, it can be a regular square bill, a deep diver, the brand, the color, all that information. I'm curious to know what your favorite crankbait is. And also make sure you're subscribed to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and turn the notification bell on. That way you don't miss next time I do a giveaway video, which is coming up very, very soon. So now, on to today's video topic. It's an absolute banger of a video. One of my favorite fishing trips that I can remember. And it's honestly... it was a fishing tournament. It's me and Houston fishing at Pickwick Lake in Alabama, in the Alabama Bass Trail. And it was a ledge tournament. Me and Houston couldn't figure out how to catch them. And then we did figure it out. And the problem is, later we found out by our buddies that we started on the best school on the whole lake. And we sucked. We bombed. We caught fish. We didn't finish the tournament as good as we should have, especially with the fish that were there. We were spinning rodding them, and they were wanting something much bigger than that. But we caught a lot of fish. But our buddies let us know after the tournament what we should have done to catch those fish that were big, big there. So anyhow, it was a stupid mistake on our part. I'm going to say we were rookies at fishing Pickwick ledge fishing, because there's 2 ways you can fish it, and the guys who know, you know. And we just didn't know at the time. There's a couple secrets that we didn't know at the time. We do know now, and we learned our lesson. But this is an awesome video filled with a ton of fish catches. And the very end of the video is just as slam-packed as the very beginning of it. I think we probably caught 50 fish this day. One of the most fish I've ever caught in a tournament. Every single one up. Well, I'm not going to spoil the video for you guys. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget about the giveaway, and I hope you enjoyed the rest of this video.
Oh, yeah. What a good tournaments. Freaking breakfast than that right there. It is officially tournament morning, as you can see from the first part of this video. Practice was, we didn't catch a ton of fish, but we did figure out how to catch them. Finally, we catch one. We have thrown everything. Everything. That's a freaking fat one, dude.
You said Timmy Horton tubs on them.
Timmy Horton tub on them. Little homemade Ned rig. God dog, that's fat. So I just cut a Zoom mag trick worm. We didn't have any Ned rig worms. So I cut a Zoom mag, just cut the tail off the back end of it, so it's got a little bit of action hanging. We left a lot of the schools we found alone yesterday. Didn't go look at them, so hopefully we can get on those schools today for 1, and then 2, hopefully we can make them bite. We feel like we figured out how to make them bite, but you never know. So headed to the boat. Houston's in the water now, and we'll see how this day goes. Looking forward to it. It's gonna take some huge weight. We heard some guys are really, really catching them.
He said Mitch is going to win.
He told you Mitch is gonna win? What'd he say?
I heard him talking to a guy in there, and he's like, he told me when he gets to a spot, it's going to be game on. And I was like, who's going to win more? He said, David's got a good shot, but ain't nobody going to beat Mitch.
And so hopefully we're going to be part of that crew. But the rest of this video should be pretty fun. Hopefully it's a lot of fun. But we'll see y'all over there at the boat here in just a second. Make sure you're subscribed, because we're about to start cranking out a lot of videos.
We need it. See y'all. Tune in for weigh-ins at 2:30.
Everything hurts on me, brother. I'm myself. We got about 1 million fish below us. We're about to wreck them too.
We're about to get them up.
Dude, there's a school below us, dude. Like, you need to drop your down. They about to get a plug thrown on them one time. It's coming to jump. Damn large now. Little one. First fish of the day. Little one. Our GoPro's got hella bugs on it. Looking so good. Yep. Digging.
I got giant on.
Damn. Not a big one, but
He did not want to come up.
hey, he wasn't even hooked.
He just had it that far deep. Damn, you had it on that?
Yeah.
Hell yeah, you fish catcher.
I mean, I knew as soon as I set the hook, it was bigger than what I've been catching, but just felt heavy.
What you been catching this morning?
Yeah. Hey, there's a lot on this side of us.
Like, right beside us?
About 20 paces to the left.
All right.
I got another one on right now.
Net. Got him? Good keep. Oh, I ain't gonna pass up to his house. I'm just gonna drop right there.
Is my worm still in here?
What worm? Oh.
That sucker was pegged. Put a clip on him.
Where are they in the well?
Yeah, on the left side. You can put him on the left side too.
Oh God.
Yeah, he got that thing in his
Why is
lip.
it bubbly?
I don't know.
I think he's in the water. I know he's in bubbles.
I mean, I didn't put anything in it. Unless someone like poisoned my live well.
Just stay calm, Dexter. You must continue your work.
I will throw that fish back before I have it. We ain't weighing that dead fish in. I'd rather weigh in 4 before I had that all day to have a dead one. Oh.
Yes, sir. Yep.
No.
Good.
Yeah.
Deeper. You know, because they ain't been hooked good sometimes.
That one's so good.
This is a decent one.
Yeah. Good start, dude.
A lot better than we were.
Oh. Little one, but we're freaking proud of that right now because we did not think it was going to come this easy. New TH coal clip.
God, that's a good fish too, dude.
Ow.
What?
You just fucking soaked me in my face.
Oh, so that causes you to say ow? Let's just start yelling.
How do you like getting soaked, you fucking idiot?
Hey, if you're feeling generous when you're done, just hand
Shut up.
Oh, yeah, boy. We got 3 for 6, 3 for 5, something. 3 for 5, 6.
Which one you want? You're probably gonna need a new hook too, ain't you?
I need a hook. I ain't never had an old one.
When we get back in front of that stump again, there was some, when we rolled up, there was some big dots up there. I did have it on auto though, and that's how I got it all out.
Okay, yeah, because that'll just drain it and put fresh water in. But you probably just had one pee or release some kind of chemical. But that's what'll foam it up more than anything.
Hey, look, I got one right now.
Yeah,
Just hooked up. No, little one. All right, well, I appreciate you calling.
you're welcome. Good luck.
See ya, thank you. Don't you throw my worm. That one. Where you peg a weight on a hook and then run it through his fin. That way it's underneath his belly.
Just stay. Wait.
Little one. No, it ain't.
Nope.
No, that's the little one. I just had him turned up there. Oh, 2 with it. It was a whitey, I think.
That's a keeper, ain't it?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you, worm. You jumped right where I wanted you to be.
Eat it.
Got him? Net. Net.
Oh.
And drag is too damn loose.
Yeah, man.
Really? Sorry there, buddy. That was the worst net job ever. I did stab him. Look at that black dot on him. That's cool.
That's the second one.
With a dot?
That 3-pounder got black dots all over it.
Really? It's kind of neat.
Oh, that Subway Slim, though.
Oh, hell yeah.
He didn't have a thing on it.
No. The other one. I don't know. That one's pretty f***ing slim.
No, it ain't either one of them.
Okay. That's a dang good call. Hold on. Never mind.
How fat he is.
I know. That's a tubber. Hey, put him on the other side. Tackle source either. What size? Little one?
He's small. The one I just caught. Got bugs. Oh, you got mustard on your neck.
Thanks for exploding that bug on my face. Show them what kind of situation you got.
I am throwing a Nedhead with a Zoom. I think that's called a beat down worm.
But regardless, we're beating it down.
We're gonna call it a broke down worm for now.
Zoom broke down. All right, so from earlier, my talk, my battery went dead. Literally the cast that I caught one, but we're catching them very frequently right now. And we're just throwing our bait up there, letting it drift back, and basically catching one every cast. So, damn, I think I got that rope. No, it's a
Fish?
yeah.
The fish?
Nope. I thought it was.
What are you doing? I thought it was a giant.
See, just like that. That one wouldn't help us, so I wanted him to jump off quickly. Good, so that's what we did. Dude, that one just got mushy and started swimming down the lake.
Probably was a 7.
Same, it was same speed as the current. I was like, frick.
He probably just did it, let all his air out and float. I can't believe you got bit up there.
I couldn't either. That's why
Every time I got
I didn't
bit,
even swing because I thought it was the rope.
I've had to pull him out from under the boat.
We might have pushed our school up.
Oh, I wish you would help.
Ooh, feisty.
But mean, didn't it?
Oh, came off.
That wouldn't have helped either, people. It was probably £1.75 pounds, 2 pounds.
I don't know if y'all can see, but way, way, way out there, there's a skeeter with 1 power pole. He tried to come and pose on us earlier and get on our bag, but he couldn't. He couldn't get close, and he watched us catch a couple. So then he ran back there like a like Peter Rabbit. Yeah. Oh, got one. Tiny. I mean, it's a squirrel. It was hauling.
Mine was digging like a smallmouth.
No little one.
Oh, watch out. Will he help?
Yeah, he can help.
I think so too. It's about the size of the other one. Come on. Oh, look. Can I flip him?
Yeah. Yeah, he'll help, buddy.
Same size as that one that jumped off. Damn it. God, they're munching, dude. Are you sure?
Yes. Midday update. You see that gigantic rain cloud behind us? You see that gigantic rain cloud right there behind us. Houston says we're about to be squeezed in like one piece of toilet paper in between two butt cheeks. And that ain't good. But we just pulled up on one of our dots. We're gonna line up on it, make a couple casts. Hey, and see how this goes. We just literally just caught so many fish, but they didn't really help. Actually, we called twice. Yeah. Yeah, who knows? We've had a ton of fun. We caught probably about 30 fish today so far. There's not a lot of big ones. We caught 2 good ones early this morning. We won a flurry that y'all saw. Most of them. You didn't see Houston's big one he caught on a football jig. But anyhow, back to fishing. See y'all shortly. Oh, and all my GoPro batteries died. So you kind of got no GoPro footage on a lot of this day. But we got 1 battery left. Show them one of them lunkers.
Yeah, because they're so big. Got them big lunks.
Lunker, baby.
There's one. That other one's bigger, I think. Oh. Black dot Billy!
Yeah. Oh. There he is.
There he is, right there.
Pimp down.
Oh, God.
What'd you get? Did you get
Lots
stuck?
of fins.
Did you get stuck?
I don't know. It looks like it just cut straight through.
Damn finger's probably gonna fall off now.
It ain't no worse than what happened at Wheeler.
All right, let's roll bounce. Tired of catching them?
We just saw a lot.
Yeah, we did. I saw that.
Didn't say it was a smallmouth bass. Could have been a smallmouth drum.
Biggin. Hurry. Getting the boots on.
There's 3-3.
Oh, that freaking pumps me up, dude. Holy, I'm shaking, dude.
I am too. Nico?
Yup. Pumped it.
In my head, I wanted one by 3 o'clock.
Pumped that motherfucker too. It pumped it and went. My line just went completely slack.
I'm shaking.
I am too. I'm so geeked out right now.
We catch 2 5-pound browns, dude. 5-pounder.
I'm shaking right now. Camera's rolling too. Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
If we'd have thrown a big spoon on our schools, they would have scattered.
Oh, I got one.
You do got one.
No, little one. No. In dark green. Dark green. Wake up. Oh, they're dead.
Are they? Like dead?
No, not dead, but they're not good. Might need to go weigh them in.
Trying to keep my toe out of the mud, bud.
You want to stomp the toe there.
That old hidden curb. Somebody needs to weed eat. Somebody's fishing another bag.
If you just caught the curve.
I hit it hard too.
One of y'all got the key fob?
So coming out 4:30, 4:50, we might have some others come in on us today. So Jody Beach and Eddie Page. You got 4 bags. You're not going to get that paycheck. I'm making sure you're ready to get out of the house.
I don't know. I didn't see.
Hey, buddy, just hang on 1 second. I'll get you. Come here.
Huh?
5 minutes, found one.
All right, guys. So we just wrapped up the ABT on Pickwick. We had a lot of fun. Had, if it wasn't a tournament, we say we had a great day. But unfortunately, it was a tournament. We probably caught at least 30 fish, maybe more. Not big ones. And the deal about those tournaments is you want to catch big ones. So anyways, we'll learn from that. Maybe start throwing some grown man stuff one day and catch bigger ones. But for now, we had a good time. So until next time, we'll see you. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Hit the thumbs up if you like the video. Leave a comment on what you think we probably should have thrown to catch bigger ones. And other than that, we'll see you guys. All right, guys, that wraps up the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, that was an awesome fishing tournament. Obviously, we didn't finish as good as we wanted to, but it was still a really cool day. Me and Houston caught a ton of fish. Me and Houston don't stop laughing the entire time we fish, which is the most fun. We don't take, obviously, because we don't win a lot of tournaments, but we don't take them too serious. We just have fun and enjoy the day. That's one thing I love about fishing with Houston is it's always fun because we don't like. Now, Houston does get pissy. I will say that. Houston turns into a little... Houston can be a little tempery. And sometimes I have to smack him in the gear. But anyhow, it was a fun video. We had a blast. And I'll never forget the moment of catching that big smallmouth at the very end. Last minute, catch a big... You'd think it was a big one. It was a cold fish, but... those moments are times you never forget, fishing tournaments especially, but you never forget those moments. A big fish, end of a tournament, and anyhow, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget about the giveaway. Drop a comment down below what your favorite crankbait is to be entered in to win 2 brand new lure lock boxes. And other than that, I will see you guys on the next. First thing is, it's deep, as you can tell. So there's a couple things you can do. This has a removable tray that just has one solid tray with no dividers in it. But you can put a bunch of baits in that. And since it has this this tacky stuff, your baits won't move around. So you can load something up in that tray. And this one has the dividers in the middle. You can load more baits up in that one. And then you can put baits in this one as well. But if you want to do something a little bit different, you can use this as a big, as a big box, like as a big divider. And the cool thing about this lure lock one is, and it's probably going to be a little bit hard for me to explain this on the video, but they have different grooves on the sides to put these long dividers. So you can kind of space this out how you want to. So if you wanted to put, I'm just going to guess and say like packs of hooks over here and then packs of swim baits up here. Or however you wanted to do this, you can move this section divider around. But once you put these in, like so, right there. So I've got those 2 in. Now it comes with all of these spacers. And the cool thing that lure lock does is you don't have to freaking use these scissors, try to cut it perfectly and do all that crap. They literally just snap apart. So then you, bam, pop them in, snap that apart, bam, pop it in, pull that edge piece off, bam, pop it in. So now you have just built yourself a completely different box. Now you wouldn't be using these trays anymore, obviously, because you've got those big dividers in there. But what I'm getting to is this thing is super customizable. If you order this 4-in-1 deep box, there's a lot of things you can do to it. I'm gonna pop up on the screen right here just a quick snippet from a video that Swindle did where he loaded this entire box down with different DT6s.
Check out all the DT6s I put in here. So I can come in, I've got one layer on the bottom. I come in and set the next layer down on top, bring the next layer right in there, set on top of that. And now I've got what I had in 3 to 4 boxes, I now have in 1.
And I'm 100% gonna do that same thing with maybe like all my shallow diving crankbaits. So like say all my 6 Sense ones in one box, all of my Rapala ones in one box, and then all the other ones in the bottom of this box. And then you have all of your medium diving crankbaits or shallow, whatever you wanna do, all in the same lure lock box. It is just absolutely cool. I'm super proud of this deal. And if you guys want to go support me and go support Lure Lock, all you got to do, go to their website, use the code DC20 to save yourself 20% off of anything on their website. And one more quick thing, I didn't show this in the beginning, but when I talk about this box sliding down in there, there's you can't really see it, but there's a divider on the side built in so that this tray doesn't slide all the way to the bottom. So you can put baits in the bottom of this one, then slide this down on top of it, and there's a gap. You can see that gap. That's basically the size of another tray. So then when you fill your baits up in this one, put it in there, it rests on the top. So you can see right there, your baits aren't gonna get just squished on by these other boxes. Anyhow, I think that's really cool.